Hi, my name is Aglaya. With me you can learn how to play the piano, how to sing, how to write your own music, and I can also teach you a music theory. So let's talk today about 5 easy piano pieces that you will benefit with, and on top of everything will truly enjoy playing. Do not worry, I'm not going to talk about Canon of Pachelbel or about Bach's Minuet. I have 5 other pieces for you, and if you're curious to learn what are these pieces and also to get a link to Google Drive where I will publish all the sheet music, continue watching this video. So the first one is going to be theme from Symphony number 7 by Ludvig Van Beethoven. I bet that you've heard this piece in a lot of movies and TV shows. It's such a beautiful, heartfelt, and mesmerizing piece. Number 2 is going to be Farandole by Georges Bizet. Very happy, lively, jumpy piece that is just like very nice to start your day with. Number 3 and 4 will be of the same composer who, in my opinion, is very much overlooked and is not that very often played. Henry Purcell. Read more about it because he left such a legacy and contributed greatly to the world of classical music. And number 5 is In May by Franz Behr.
I hope you enjoyed all the 5 pieces. I will
also post the link to my Google Drive where you can download sheet music and start working on those pieces. If you have any questions regarding these pieces and how to work on them, please post your questions down below and I'll be happy to answer them.